Are you wondering how you can actually convert your coins to points on poppolive? In this video, I'm going to show you how to simply do that. So guys, don't waste much of your time. Let's dive right into the video. I don't waste time here. So right here is the homepage of my poppolive app. At the bottom, you can see the profile icon. So this is your profile icon and this is your profile. So looking here on your profile, you can see points and you can see coins. So clicking on coins right here. So this is where the problem lies. So if you click on coins right here, you can't actually see any option where you can actually click on to convert the coins to points. Instead, you're going to see option where you can click to top it up. There is no option to actually convert your coins to points. So in order for you to actually do that, look in here where you can see points. If you go to the points option, just like this. So right here is your points. This is the point you've actually earned so far. So looking here, you can see withdraw now and exchange points for coins at the bottom. So you can actually exchange your coins for points if only you have at least 90,000 coins. Now that 90,000 coins equals to 100,000 points, or you have 450,000 coins, then you can actually convert it to 500,000 points. So these are the two options for you to exchange your coins into points. So you can select any of them. I'm going to select 90. So let's say for instance you select 90 and input the verification code right here. The verification code right here is 8963. 8963. Input it just like this. Then click on exchange points. Now remember, the coins you can actually exchange is 90,000 and I don't have that amount on my balance currently. So clicking on confirm, they're going to request for your password. So you need to input your password just like this. So it says here available credit amount not enough. So I can't actually do this transaction, but this is the exact step you can actually take in order to convert your coins to points on poppolive. It's that simple. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.